Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna do a press-on set, and the tips that I use to do my press-ons are from Apres, which I absolutely love. This is a design that I'm gonna be going for from Ivy Nails. I thought it was super cute. My cousin sent it to me, and I thought I definitely wanted to recreate it into a press-on set. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna pull out my stands. My stands are from Amazon, and I absolutely love them. These are the ones that I've been going for as of lately, other than the magnetic ones. So I'm just gonna take out my tips, and like I said, I absolutely love the Apres tips. I love their structure. They're very flexible, durable. I love them. So I'm gonna be doing a standard medium size, and I'll go ahead and leave the picture here of the numbers of what a medium size is. And I'm just gonna place them on the putty. I'm gonna make sure that I do have, like, for example, the thumb is a 1 and a 1, so I'm gonna make sure that all the sizes match up, because sometimes they get mixed up in the little box or whatever. So that's what I'm doing here. So after I have all the tips placed and everything on my stand, did I say nightstand earlier? If I did, my bad. You guys know what I mean. So after I put them on the stand, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my file, and I'm just gonna file off that little tab that it has at the end. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my little buffer, my little white buffer that I got from Amazon. I prefer the little small ones. I think when I get the big ones, I feel like I'm just wasting it, because after I'm done using it, I just toss it away. So I prefer the little ones. So what I'm doing here, I'm just removing the shine from the nail. And the reason that I'm doing this is because I am gonna apply builder gel in a little bit, and I need the builder gel to have something to adhere to. So that's the reason that I'm doing that. And the reason that I add builder gel is just so I give it a little bit of more strength to the nail tip. And so I'm gonna be doing this to all the nails. So as you can see in this video, I'm gonna try to show you guys step by step how I do my press-on nails to sell. So after I'm done buffing the nails, I'm just gonna take my little dust brush, and I'm gonna remove all the dust and lint or whatever it has on the nail. You want them to be clean and smooth as possible. So after I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my builder gel. The one that I use is from IBD. It's 56 grams, it's clear. And so I'm just gonna take any brush that I have, and I'm gonna apply a very thin layer, because I'm not trying to add any thickness to it, because the nail tips are already, they do have a thickness to them, which I love. But now I'm just giving them a little extra strength. So again, I'm applying a very thin layer. The extra that I take off, I just move it onto the next nail. And I'm gonna be doing this to all the nails. And as you can see, I'm just brushing it and brushing it, make sure I get a full coverage on that nail, and just taking off the extra. After I'm done applying it to all the nails, I'm gonna set it aside and let it level out for a little bit, or until I'm done with the other hand or the other set of tips. And then I'm gonna cure it in the lamp for about 2 minutes. All right, so I'm done with this set of nails, and like I said, I'm gonna set it aside to self-level, and then I'm just gonna get into the other one. All right, so here they are both done. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply my base color, and the color that I'm choosing is the one from Kiara Sky, called Lavender, I believe it's pronounced. It's a really pretty pink nude color. It is kind of see-through. So I do add 2 layers of this color. So the first layer, it's gonna be a very thin layer. I don't wanna apply a thick layer of the polish, because I want my nails to be as smooth as possible. I don't want it all lumpy or whatever. So I'm just applying a very thin layer, and I'm gonna do this to all the nails. Once I apply the first layer, I am gonna pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And I will be adding 2 coats of this color, but I'm not gonna show you when I do the second coat. So once we come back on, you'll see the 2 coats are already applied. But this color is absolutely beautiful. I love it, super pretty. All right, friends, so here we are. The second coat is already applied. So now we're going to move on to the design, and we're going to be doing the white part of the design. So the white that I absolutely love is from Model 1s, and it's 055 I absolutely love the consistency, its opaqueness, everything about it. I love it. So I got me 3 bottles of this the white one from Model 1s. Absolutely love it. And then I'm going to use this liner brush. I think it's called Hella Cute liner brush, if I'm looking at it correctly. It's from Nails by Dev, so I absolutely love this brush. So I'm just going to dip my brush in the white gel polish, make sure that my brush is completely soaked in that white, and then just taking off the extra. So here I'm just doing the white portion of the design and just lining it out first, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with the white. And I'm going to be doing this to all the nails. So here, once I'm done filling it in with all the white, I do set it aside for a little bit just so the white polish can self-level a little bit. And then I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure for about 60 seconds. And I am going to do a second coat of the white just so it can be fully opaque, have a full coverage. And as you can see, several nail tips are done. I didn't want to show you guys every single nail because it's the same thing, just different shape. So this is what they are looking like so far. And like I said, I absolutely love the design. The colors are perfect for summer, so I thought it was super cute. And so I did want to mention, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did have a name change. So now I go by Express Nails, and let me get that. I'll get into that really quick. So here I'm just showing you that both nails are already done. I already applied the second coat. Now I'm going to get into the colors. These are the colors that I'm going for. So the first color is called Pure Cloud. The second one is Screaming Summer Neon, and then it's Vanilla Sky, and then it's, oh my god, Pink Neon. And I think I showed you guys the green one is Neon Lime Green. I don't know if I mentioned it. So here I'm just grabbing a dotting tool and I'm just making little dots. They don't have to be perfect because it's like a leopard print, and of course their dots aren't perfect. They're imperfectly beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my dotting tool. I'm just gonna add the dots, and I'm gonna be doing this to all the nails. So like I was saying, I went ahead and changed my name to Express Nails. I am no longer going by Nail.Chronicles. And so I'm going through a whole change right now. I'm trying to get everything together, get my brand together and everything. I'm also working on a website because I am going to start, well, I am selling press-on nails, but right now I'm doing it through my Instagram. But I want it to be official, have a nice look and everything. So I am working on a website. So I'm excited about that. There's a lot of new things coming. So hopefully you guys weren't thrown off by my name, that I'm no longer going by Nail.Chronicles. And let me get back into the video. So really quick, I'm just using Perfect Black, also from Madame Glam, and I do have a discount code for the Madame Glam gel polishes if you guys love them, because I definitely do. And so here I'm just doing the little leopard print. As you can see, they're turning out awesome. Absolutely love the colors, and looks like I am done here with the little black spots. And so again, you just pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And now I think the next thing that I do is put on the top coat, I believe. Or maybe I got ahead of myself. So here are both nails done, or both sets done. So yeah, we're moving on to the top coat. The one that I've been grabbing as of lately is the one from Libra, non-wipe top coat. And I think I got it in one of my nail boxy boxes. I'm not sure what month. So here I'm just going to apply a very generous amount of that top coat so I can get a full coverage. Make sure I protect the design, which is a little leopard print. And I'm going to be doing this to all the nails. So once it's applied to all the nails, I'm going to pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So in regards to the name change, like I said, a lot of exciting things are coming. I'm trying to get into the groove of things, and hopefully I could get my website up and running, so stay tuned for that. And so this is just a little extra step that I do to protect the nail design. So once I'm done with the first top coat, I go back and buff the nail again very lightly, and then I reshape the nails as well, because right here you see me feeling the nail. They are a little lumpy, and that's just from the dots. But I do this regardless if it's lumpy or not, because I want to give the design an extra layer of protection, I guess you can say. So I am doing this very gently. I'm not applying any pressure because I don't want to go past that first top coat layer and then get to my design and remove it. So I am doing this very gently, making sure I get rid of any lumps. I know it looks kind of rough, but I promise you it's barely any pressure that I'm doing. And this is just an extra step. This is how I do it. And then once I'm done buffing the nail, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my file and make sure that my shape is nice and straight. Make sure there isn't any lumps, any polish underneath or top coat or whatever. So I'm just filing underneath, and then I'm gonna file the free edge because I wanna get that shape back. Make sure they're nice and square. These are square long, so I want to make sure they're nice and squared. And this is what it looks like so far. And then I'm just giving it one last touch up. And so once I'm done with that, let me just show you guys really quick what it looks like. Super cute, right? Straight edges and everything. All right, and so I'm just letting you guys know I'm gonna do this to all the nails, of course, obviously. And so after that, I'm gonna add the last layer of top coat. But first, I'm gonna take a free lint wipe and a little bit of alcohol. Make sure I remove all the dust, any lint or anything like that. You don't wanna be left with any lumps or anything. So I'm just wiping it down. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and add another layer of top coat. And again, this is just a little extra step that I do. You don't have to do it, but this makes me feel better that I'm protecting that design. And so I add one more layer of top coat. Of course, I'm gonna do this to all the nails. Then I'm gonna pop it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now with every set that I do, I promise you guys, I enjoy what I do. I love what I do. I love doing press-ons. I really try to perfect the nail as best as I can, because when you guys apply them, I want them to look as natural as possible, like they're acrylics or whatever the case may be. I don't want them to look like press-ons. So I honestly do my press-on nails with a lot of love. I take my time to perfect it, the shape, make sure the polish is on point and everything. So I absolutely love what I do. And if you guys have tried press-ons before or haven't, you guys should definitely give them a try. I absolutely love doing press-ons. So here I'm just wiping down the side just to, again, maintain that shape. And then here we are at the end of the video. So this is what they look like. Well, this is what they would look like on. I just grabbed my red iguana hand. And yeah, so I absolutely love them. I hope you guys love them. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the nails, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.